Editing is the most boring job on earth. Literally, I sit there, cutting out of my own mistake, ums and ahs, for hours. Then the effect, the animation. By the end, my eyes hurt, and my brain stopped thinking. So one day, half dead from vibe coding, I had a stupid idea. What if AI just does this for me? So I tried, and honestly, it blew my mind. Most of the boring part, I handled to AI. So in this video, I will show how exactly I did it. Watch till the end, you will know what worked and what didn't.
Boring part of editing.
While I was learning editing by doing it, I figured something out. Editing is not just one job. It's two jobs wearing the same coat. Job 1 is the boring part, cutting off my own mistakes like and ahs, cleaning up the draft, adding the effect, frame by frame. Repeat, mechanical. After a few hours, my eyelids start to dropping. Job 2 is the part I actually like. Where to cut, where to drop a joke, how fast it should be, which word make it land. Interesting part, nobody's taking that. But job 1, please, someone free my hand. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe.
Bump into Codex.
So I was thinking how to be more efficient. The first thing I found is an AI feature in CapCut. It reads your script, find the mistakes, and cut them out, clip by clip. It works a little bit faster than dragging the timeline myself, but just a little bit. Still slow, still need me to babysitting it. One clip at a time. Around then, I've downloaded Codex. I use up to clean up my files, sort out my mess, and read my emails and send emails, all very basic things. I realized it could just reach inside your computer and do the things for you. So I just thought, if they can reach the computer, can it control the CapCut? Possibly. So I poked at it for an hour, but nothing. Then I went online, looking for tutorials. Tried to find anyone who have done this. No one. All I found is how to do a cool effect. How to do a fancy animation. Nothing about Codex use CapCut. Not even using the Codex to clean up the roll clips. So I just think, is it possible that Codex directly read my video and cut it? Then the magic door opened.
Codex is my editor.
I tried to tell Codex, here is the folder with all my roll clips. Can you cut my mistakes and dead air? It started to work. It uses something called FilmPeg. Whatever it is, it's starting to read my clips. It figured out where I messed up and where I went quiet, where I was just sitting there, and then it started cutting. I have no idea if any of this would work. I'm watching an AI tool that actually touching my files, and I can't read half of that, what it's doing. Then after a few minutes, it stopped. Done. I opened the result, and it worked! The mistake were gone, and the dead air were gone. Just one thing, me reaching the record button to switch off in the end. Yeah, I missed that, but wow. My first thought was, it actually did it. Then I got greedy. I said, just edit the whole thing and give me a finished video. And the result was rough. Many mistakes left, even me scratching my face. So I back off. I told it, forget the whole video. Just clean up one clip at a time, as previously. And it followed the order for a while, and then I want it faster. So I said, okay, do 5 at a time, do 10, and then 20. It feels like I'm a senior editor, and the Codex is just the intern, start from last week. I tell it what to do, it does it, and I am the one who's checked every clip until it satisfied me. And Codex doesn't just cut, it also builds. At some point, I realized that one part needs some moving charts. The graphic had to animate, not just sitting there. Normally, that's hours of motion graphic works. So I thought, can Codex do this too? I told exactly how the charts should move, what comes first, and what's built on top, how fast, and it wrote the code. The chart moved. This is exactly how I pictured it. Same with stickers. I saw a clip and feel, this part needs stickers, right here. First, I just asked, can you even make stickers? It said, yes. So I told it the style I wanted and what it should look like. It made one. I told it how it should come in and how it should leave. We went back and forth a few times, and then that's the one I want. Then there's a B-roll. One of the reasons being a designer make me difficult for this. A B-roll clip that doesn't actually explaining what I'm saying. It bothers me a lot. I can't just let it go. So when I can't find the real footage I need, I don't settle. I make it. GTP draw the image as the style I exactly want. Then I feed to Dreamina, and Dreamina make it move. Western AI draws, Chinese AI moves. I just grab whatever make it faster and telling what I'm exactly saying. So that's how the whole thing get made. 3 AIs do the heavy lifting, and me, as a difficult boss, I check every clip before it goes in. They do the work, I decide if the work is good. The call is mine. Now, how do you think? Can AI do everything?
AI is worker, I am the brain.
So you might think, okay, the AI does everything now. No, the AI does the work, but it doesn't do the thinking. Codex cut what I tell it to cut, but it doesn't know which take is the good one. I gave it 5 takes at the same line. It will keep whichever I pointed at. The taste is mine. The AI just hold the scissors. Same with graphics and B-rolls. Codex can create them, but it doesn't know where and why to put. The AI makes the breaks, and I lay the wall. And this wall is never right the first time. Not the B-roll, not the cut, not the stickers. None of them come out perfect. I have to keep correcting it again and again until it finally matches what's in my head. AI worked the part I hated and left the part only I can do. And honestly, it feels like I finally have an editor. A good one. Look, I can edit. I sat there until my eyes gave out, cutting the clips over and over. Now I'm just glad I tried AI, because the part that used to wreck my eyes, I don't have to do it anymore. This whole video, I barely touched the timeline. This is episode number 3. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next one.